Okay, we still have time. Nice. That's my plan. So now teach you more time word. Remember before when we learned number 0 to 99, I said if you can remember 0 to 99, then we can learn quite a time word because the time word is related with the number. So now let's see. Okay, how to say one?
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。
Yes, good. Okay, now how to say Monday? 哦 Very easy. Look. How to read? Yes. Okay. So Monday 是星期一. Okay. When we read, we put 星期 together. Okay. So you say 星期一. Then Tuesday 星期二. So now you know Wednesday how to say. Now stop. So now from Monday to Saturday finished. You see only number. You don't need to remember 星期. 星期 what's the meaning? So 星期 means week. Means week, first day, week, second day. Okay, 星期一. Okay, one more time. From Monday to Saturday.
星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六。
Yes. Now Sunday. Sunday is a special one. That's why different. Sunday, we say 星期天. Okay? This one, because Sunday is 7. If you say 7, it's like 星期七, right? But we don't say Sunday is special one. It's the end of the week. We say 星期天. Yes. Yes. Because also Sunday usually for religion, for example, Christian, Sunday you pray, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why 天. What means 天? Okay. I explain to you because help you to remember, okay? 天 is there. Sky, God. That's why English say, oh my God, oh my goodness. So Chinese, we have the same saying. Now you know how to say. No, that's Sunday. English say, oh my God, my goodness. I just explained to you, 天 means sky, means God. So how to say my God? Yes. Yes. It's really we say, what 天? If sometimes in English you say, oh my God, oh my goodness. Chinese we say, what 天啊? What 天啊? Yes. Okay, so Sunday 是星期天. Remember? Can you remember? Yes. So now, go back. Make sentence. Okay. For example, remember time first. Okay. Now make sentence. Example, say, remember how to say eat. 吃 how to say drink. 喝 yeah, okay, just example. Say, I want to drink coffee on Monday. Who try? I want to drink coffee on Monday. Speak Chinese.
星期一我要
我要喝咖啡。
Yes. Yes. Look. 星期一我要喝咖啡. Nice. Next one. Say, hey, I want to eat pizza on Tuesday. Who try? I want to eat pizza on Tuesday.
星期二我要吃披萨。
Good. Nice. 星期二 time first. 我要吃披萨. Okay? Next one. I want to drink water. On diet. Because so much junk food. So Wednesday. So you say I want to drink water, only drink water. I want to drink water on Wednesday. Try, who try?
星期三我要喝水。
Good, made it. Yes. Very good. Next one. Remember how to say meet. 见. Okay, now you say hello. I want to meet you on Saturday. Who try? I want to meet you on Saturday. Who try? Saturday.
你好，星期六我要见。I want to meet
You.
你。
Yeah, again, loudly.
你好，星期六我要见你。
Very good. Yes, 很好。星期六我要见你。Very good. Next one. Remember how to say Sunday?
星期天。
Good. 星期天. Yes. Now look, listen. You say, hello. So I want meet my wife on Sunday. Maybe you are in different city, work in different city, okay? Now you say, I want to meet my wife on Sunday. Who try?
星期天我要见我的老公太太。
Yes, good. 星期天我要见我的太太. Yes. How to say children? 孩子, right? Okay, now next one. Say, I want to meet my children on Friday. Who try? I want to meet my children on Friday.
星期五。
Yes. So, time first. 星期五我要见我的孩子. Yes. Next.